This Mueller HyperGrind Precision electric grinder lets you freshly grind your coffee beans and various spices without losing flavor. Grind whole coffee beans quickly and efficiently with our powerful coffee grinder, instead of buying pre-ground coffee. Try brewing your coffee with freshly ground beans. It will provide a rich aroma and full-bodied flavor for better tasting coffee, in addition to coffee beans. The versatile grinder can be used for chopping or grinding nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices, with its modern Eurocentric design. The Mueller HyperGrind Precision Coffee Grinder makes a welcome addition to any kitchen. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Consistent grinds every time. Unlike many others on the market, the Mueller HyperGrind gives you perfect consistency and precision control over the coarseness of your pour-over, drip, Chemex, cold brew, French press, percolator, Turkish, Espresso, herb, or spices grind every time. Number 2. Compact and stylish. Takes up minimum counter space and can be easily stored in cupboards and drawers, but with its great modern Eurocentric styling, you just might want to leave it out in the open. Number 3. Quality above all else. Crafted with the same essence as traditional German precision machinery, our Mueller HyperGrind Precision Grinder is designed and tested through 3 professional-grade inspections to outlast and outperform the competition. Number 4. Powerful and efficient. Long-lasting blades made from strong and durable stainless steel will easily grind any type of coffee you like, from coarse to fine, quickly and efficiently with a minimum grinding noise, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.